what symptoms you're feeling, what condition brought you in here, all the different nuances about that condition, asking you questions you may not even have thought of yourself about what's my problem, how is it affecting my life? Because it's not just about compiling a list of your aches and pains. It's about finding out, how do these aches and pains impact your life? Because anybody could sit here and say, oh yeah, well, we're going to take your pain from a 10 out of 10 down to a 0 out of 10. That's too clinical. My goal is to figure out, what can't you do right now because of your pain, and let's get you back to doing that. Welcome to Towson Integrative Health. When you come in, you're going to be greeted by my chiropractic assistant, and she's going to walk you through every step of the registration process. She'll collect some information from you. She'll get a copy of a photo ID, and then she'll take you through all of our intake forms. But your first stop as a new patient would be right here in my office, which also doubles as my treatment room. So once we've had our full discussion and I've found out as much information as I can about your description of your problem, then we'll head next door to the room right next door. This is one of our therapy rooms, but it also doubles as our exam room. So in here, we're going to go through a physical exam of your condition. And your examination is going to include a neurologic evaluation, an orthopedic evaluation, and my hands-on chiropractic examination itself. And once I've gathered all that information, I will take some time later that day, when I have some quiet time to myself, to review all of the exam findings and put all the pieces of the puzzle together. Because I need to figure out which specific nerves, which specific muscles, which specific bones and joints are the ones causing your problem. I need to know everything about your problem before I can do anything to help you. That second visit is called the report of findings. And at that report of findings, you will, after you check in, we'll come back into my office, we'll sit and have another discussion. We start every visit ideally on my adjusting table. Now, what we adjust on you, what adjustments we perform, what soft tissue work we perform, that depends on your area of complaint, your specific condition, what the treatment plan dictates we need to treat, and that's different on a case-by-case basis. And this is where the physical therapy aspect of the chiropractic and physical therapy treatment plan comes into play. You'll come out here, and I will have a specific set of prescribed rehabilitative exercises for you that you will perform here in the office at each visit. And you may perform the same exercises for a few visits in a row, but periodically throughout your treatment plan, I'm going to modify the exercise prescription. So we're going to progress you through different levels of exercises that get more and more challenging week by week. We're trying to push your muscles beyond their normal boundaries in terms of strength, in terms of flexibility, in terms of conscious control of your muscles, which is what we call proprioception. So each visit, you're going to perform different rehab exercises using the equipment you see here, and it will be prescribed by me and supervised either by myself or my chiropractic assistant. And the reason we have you do the exercises here in the office instead of going to do them at home is the two most important reasons are, number one, the best time to do the exercises is right after the adjustment, when your body's at its most elastic, its most pliable. The other reason is we want to make sure you're performing the exercises correctly. If you go home and do the exercises and you do them a little bit different today and a little bit different tomorrow and a little bit different on Friday, by next week you're doing a completely different exercise than what we prescribe. So we want to make sure you're doing things correctly and targeting the right muscles. We also have the electric muscle stimulation here. We have the massage chair here, our near infrared heat therapy. We call it the red light therapy. Patients really love this. It's very warm and very relaxing. One of the other therapies that we provide here on a case-by-case basis is what we call trigger point dry needling. These are what the needles look like. They come in different lengths and different sizes depending on the body's needs. It's a very calming, gentle therapy. Patients love it. Whether you're a current patient of ours, whether you're a former patient of ours, whether you're about to be a new patient of ours, or whether you're even considering becoming a new patient of ours, If you have any questions about what services we offer, what treatments we can provide, what treatment options we have, or even if you have a question about whether we can treat a certain condition you think you may have or not, step one is start a conversation with me. Call me, email me, text me, contact me through our social media, or just stop in one day and talk to me in person. I'll be happy to talk to you, because if you don't know, I can't help you. But if you are informed, then I can help you.